All students, good morning. I am Dr. Mrs. Wankhede going to deliver I am Dr. Mrs. Wankhede, Associate Professor, Department of Physics, KDK College of Engineering. Today I am going to deliver lecture on Unit 3, Electron Optics. Topic is CRO. Actually, in Unit 3, these are the topics: Bethes law, electrostatic lens, CRO, applications of CRO, Bainbridge mass spectrograph, and cyclotron. Out of which we are going to cover CRO today. Now, what is CRO? CRO is a cathode ray oscilloscope. Okay? It is used to display and measure electrical signals like AC/DC ground switch, phase shift between electrical signals, and frequency of electrical signals, etc. Now, this is the block diagram of CRO. Okay? There are 7 main blocks of CRO. First is CRT, that is cathode ray tube, then time-based circuit, trigger circuit, and vertical circuit, horizontal circuit, low voltage power supply, and high voltage power supply. Now we are going to discuss the function of all blocks. First block we will consider vertical circuit. Vertical circuit, the unknown signal voltage which is to be tested is always applied to Y input. Then vertical amplifier amplifies the signal to desired value so that it can be displayed on the screen. Okay? And the gain of a vertical amplifier is calibrated by volt per division control knob. So vertical position of the beam is adjusted with the help of vertical position control. So second is horizontal circuit. Horizontal circuit, the voltage to X plate can be applied from internal source or external source. If the switch is kept in external mode, then X plates are disconnected from the internal source and the signal connected to X input passes to X plates through attenuator, preamplifier, and horizontal amplifier. The output of horizontal amplifier is fed to X plate. When the switch is kept in INT position, then the ramp voltage, or it is also known as time-based voltage, produced by time-based circuit is applied to horizontal amplifier, and horizontal position of the beam is adjusted with the help of horizontal position control knob. Now, another two parts, low voltage power supply and high voltage power supply, their function is already given here. That low voltage power supply, it supplies voltage of the order of 400 volt and it powers the electronic circuits such as amplifier, trigger generator, trigger circuit, time-based circuit, etc. And high voltage power supply, it supplies voltage of the order of 1600 to 2200 volts and provides power to CRT only.